My name is Hafdun Mohammed and I'm born and based in Kochi. So, എനിക്ക് ഒരു huge task ഉണ്ടായി. I wanted to do IELTS in a week. So that's when I contacted Britford Academy. They really helped me in achieving my required band. In 7 days, IELTS is not at all easy. So coming here and using all my study materials and interacting with my faculty in Britford, I could really see my improvement. I had like really low confidence. So each day coming here, doing my mock test and listening to the various tests, I could see my improvement day by day. And finally, I got an overall score of 7.5, which I think it's really good to achieve in a week. And I really thank Britford Academy for their immense support in helping me achieve my dreams.
My name is Irene Anna George. I joined Britford to crack my IELTS exam. I come from Kalmasheri and I got an overall band score of 8 with full marks for listening. So what I actually want to say about Britford is that the training that you get here, the training that I got here was very, very strenuous, but in a very good way because it helped me to crack my exam in the first go itself. And the module of writing was a bit difficult for me, not in a very long way, but kind of difficult for me. And there was also a point when I thought I wouldn't be able to do writing very well. But thanks to all the staff here, to all my teachers who tutored me so well, so dedicatedly, so selflessly, because of them I was able to even do my writing well. I was confident, though I was nervous, I was extremely confident that I would be able to do all the 4 modules well. When I came here, when I started my practice with the mock test and all, I understood that having proper language alone might not help. What we actually need is proper IELTS training, and I'm very happy to say that all the staff in Britford are extremely professional, they're highly qualified, and everyone who comes here will never go empty-handed. They will surely get a good score if they do cooperate with the teachers here and put in their best efforts as well. So, and I'm really glad and I'm really thankful to all the staff here in Britford, especially Naushad sir, Satish sir, Fasna ma'am, everybody who put in their best efforts to help all the students to get really good grades for IELTS. Thank you.